Today's enterprises sit atop a vast ocean of data. Trapped deep below its surface are revelatory insights leaders need to respond to the urgency of the day and steer to a triumphant future. Magnitude Noetix 7 helps you unlock the power of Oracle E-Business Suite with instant access to real-time operational performance reporting. Noetix provides more than 1,800 pre-built reports that put real-time operational insights into the hands of business users. Noetix 7 adds support for Oracle Cloud applications, giving you powerful, customizable views from supply chain to finance, manufacturing to order management. A deep analytics engine with a packaged ETL to extract, transform, and load data from Oracle EBS and Salesforce.com applications, and an API for third-party application integration gives an enterprise-wide view of operation performance and the insights you need to outthink and outmaneuver your competitors in a rapidly changing business environment. Optimized for Microsoft Azure and Snowflake data warehouses, Noetix 7 can offload data processing to the cloud, empowering users to take advantage of its scale, elasticity, and performance. Noetix plugs right into leading BI platforms including Tableau, Qlik, and Power BI, adding a rich metadata model that accelerates and enhances reporting from these familiar tools. The new Noetix 7 Unified Web Portal turns your business users into data scientists with self-service operational insights, freeing up IT from time-consuming report development without compromising security permissions and controls. It has never been easier to see how your business is running today and to gain deep insights to shape your strategy for tomorrow.